Close your eyes for a second and imagine that the walls around you simply disappear. You aren't looking at a screen anymore. You aren't holding a controller. You are standing on the surface of Mars, feeling the grit of the red sand beneath your boots. Then, with a flick of your wrist, you're back in your home office, but your desk is now 10 feet wide, surrounded by 5 massive floating monitors that track your every eye movement. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the reality of the Meta Quest 4. For years, we've been told that virtual reality is the future. Well, it's 2026, and the future just walked through your front door and sat on your couch. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But here is the billion-dollar question that has the entire tech industry in a chokehold. Is the Meta Quest 4 actually the Apple Vision Pro killer we were promised, or is it just another plastic toy for gamers? Today, we are going deeper than a standard spec sheet. We are uncovering the radical redesign, the hidden neural processing power, and the terrifyingly accurate eye-tracking technology that Meta has been perfecting in secret labs for the last 3 years. If you think you know VR, throw that knowledge out the window. By the time we finish this, you'll realize that the line between reality and simulation hasn't just been blurred, it's been deleted. To understand the sheer magnitude of the Quest 4, you have to look at the massive failure of the headsets that came before it. Most headsets were too heavy, too blurry, or too disconnected from the real world. Mark Zuckerberg didn't just want to fix those problems, he wanted to vanish them. The Quest 4 is 30% slimmer than the Quest 3, and it's achieved this through a breakthrough in pancake lens technology and a moved battery stack. For the first time, you don't feel like you're wearing a brick on your face. You feel like you're wearing a pair of heavy-duty ski goggles. And that comfort is the secret weapon. Because if you can't wear it for 4 hours straight, it's not a replacement for your computer. The Quest 4 is designed to be lived in. Let's talk about the eyes. This is the feature that is going to change how you interact with the digital world forever. The Quest 4 has integrated high-fidelity eye and face tracking as a standard feature, not just for the Pro models. This means when you're in a social space, your avatar blinks when you blink. It smiles when you smile. But more importantly, it enables foveated rendering. The headset knows exactly where your pupils are focused and pours every ounce of its processing power into that specific spot. The result: graphics that look like they're running on a high-end RTX 50 series gaming PC, all running on a mobile chip. It's a magic trick of engineering that makes 4K per eye resolution feel like looking through a clean window. But the real revolution isn't in VR. It's in mixed reality. We've seen pass-through before, but it always looked grainy, like a security camera from the 90s. The Meta Quest 4 introduces neural pass-through. Using AI upscaling in real time, the cameras on the front of the headset reconstruct your room with such clarity that you can literally read the fine print on a medicine bottle while wearing the device. This changes everything. You aren't blocked off from your family anymore. You can be cooking dinner with a floating YouTube recipe hovering over your stove, or working on a spreadsheet while still seeing your dog playing at your feet. This is the spatial computing dream, but at a price point that doesn't require a second mortgage. Speaking of power, let's go under the hood.